Units guide the math. Track every unit. Numbers need their units.
Welcome back to the tortoise's survey. Out here, a number without its unit is only half a thought. Every length the tortoise paces carries a label: steps, body lengths, the span of a plot. These units act as rules that dictate which mathematical operations are logically permitted. You can add one length to another to find a total distance, which makes perfect sense. But attempting to add a length to an area is mathematical nonsense, however tidy the arithmetic looks on paper. Algebra becomes a trustworthy tool when numbers stay attached to quantities. It ensures that your equations reflect the physical reality of the world around you. This tracks a cyclist traveling 45 miles over 2.5 hours. Dividing the distance by time gives 18, an empty number. But dividing the word miles by hours creates miles per hour. These valid units proved division was the correct operation. Tracking your units through every arithmetic step acts as a built-in verification check. It prevents errors and guarantees the final number represents your intention. This plane tracks a watering hole. Y-axis is centimeters, x-axis is minutes. For slope, calculate rise over run. 15 divided by 5 is 3. But what does 3 represent here? Placing y-axis units over x-axis units transforms it into an active 3 centimeters per minute. A graph's units and scales decide what the slope says in context. They translate an abstract mathematical result into a specific physical observation. These graphs plot the exact same linear relationship, despite the left appearing steeper. Visual intuition can deceive us. Checking the y-axis reveals y. The left counts by ones, the right by tens. Actual steepness must always be verified by reading the numbered scale. The numerical scale and the origin are the core parameters of a graph. Failing to check them will lead to flawed interpretations of the data. This logic keeps your math honest. Identifying the unit of a quotient tells you exactly what a multiplication will yield, like knowing that dollars per ticket multiplied by tickets will give you dollars. Building these habits now prepares you for advanced modeling and statistics, where every value must stay tied to a real-world quantity and a unit. This list highlights 3 rules. Carry your units through every calculation, use unit analysis to spot errors, and verify your axis scales. From now on, pause and ask yourself, what are the units at this specific step?
Check the units first. Let the units lead. Units keep you honest.